Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Today we are taking a look at some new Barbie dough products. What is Barbie dough? It's a shaping compound that you can use to make stuff like food for your dolls. It's been getting pretty popular in the Barbie cooking, baking, and farming playsets. We found these 3 playsets on Amazon for $9.99 each. And I bought the Barbie Noodle Bar playset on Amazon for $14.88. That was about 2 weeks ago, and as we know, on Amazon, prices can change. Let's take a look at the popcorn theme first. On the back of the box, there is information about the compound, including a list of ingredients. It does contain wheat. There is coloring to the dough, so be sure to play on a protected surface to avoid staining. Let's go ahead and open this. There's tape at the top, so start at the bottom. There we go. And we have a popcorn maker, or a little popcorn machine. So cool! Red on the bottom, clear in the middle, red on the top. And if you lift the top lid, you can see that is how you can make your popcorn with the Barbie dough. The top can be removed, and there is a lever on the side so you can make it look like the popcorn is popping. We're gonna have to try that out. It also comes with 2 pink popcorn buckets, 2 drinks, 1 red, the other blue, a bag of candy, a shirt with popcorn on it. It is pink, white, yellow, and black. I like that. There is elastic around the neck and no opening in the back. And of course, it comes with Barbie dough in white and yellow. There are instructions. First, take out a little dough, mix the 2 colors, roll it so it will fit along the mold. Place it inside, lower the lid, and press down. Lift the lid back up, and we have popcorn. Remove the excess dough. Oops, took some of my popcorn with it. Carefully separate the pieces of popcorn. Take off the top and place the popcorn inside. It's gonna take a minute to fill the bottom. That's a decent amount. Not a lot, but it works. Let's try out this little side lever. Oh, well, it moves a little bit. Maybe if I had more, it would be a little more dynamic. We have more popcorn now, so you can really see it going up and down. I like how they give you the 2 colors to mix because it really gives the popcorn a fun look. Place some of the popcorn in the buckets so the dolls can have a serving of popcorn. The instructions say to put it back in the container so it doesn't dry out, but I think I'm gonna let it dry out on purpose so I have popcorn ready all the time. I wonder how this shirt will look on our dolls. We have a BMR 1959 doll volunteering to be our model today. Place it right over the doll's head, and she's ready for a movie and popcorn night. Ice cream and popsicles are up next. It comes with a new shirt. It has a pink and white stripe, blue trim around the edges, and a popsicle wearing sunglasses on the front. The shirt is slightly shorter in the front than it is in the back. The playset comes with a tub of ice cream, 2 ice cream cones, a bottle of chocolate syrup, and some stuff for the Barbie dough. We have 3 popsicle sticks with handles, pink and blue Barbie dough, and a cooler that is the Barbie dough press. The top does come off, and then there's storage underneath. Take a little bit of the Barbie dough, place it in the mold. Take one of the popsicle sticks and put it on the little dot. It'll hold it securely in place. Add more Barbie dough, close the lid, and press it. Lift it up, carefully remove the excess dough, lift it by the handle to make a doll-sized popsicle. Since it's made of dough, she can take a bite. There are 3 different shapes to choose from. Fill all of them with dough, then press down to make your classic popsicle, a bunny popsicle, and a butterfly popsicle. The t-shirt and the ice cream are my favorite parts of this playset. Let's head into the kitchen and make some toast with this one. We get an apron. It has elastic that goes over the neck and around the back, so you just have to slide it over the doll's head. That's a pretty cool design. You don't really have to worry about it falling off. It comes with a toaster. It is 2 pieces. It's meant to be used with the Barbie dough. The Barbie dough comes in cream and brown. There's a purple plate, a blender, a carton of milk, a pink glass, a knife, and a jar of peanut butter. I think we're gonna pass on the peanut butter. We are a peanut butter free household. I like the little blender. You can remove the top and the lid so you can make the dolls some smoothies. We're gonna pretend like this is soy milk because our dolls are lactose intolerant. Sorry, but I find it amusing to subject my dolls to my lifestyle. To make the toast, we need a little bit of Barbie dough. So I open it up. Let's take a little bit of the cream and a little bit of the brown. So we're gonna be mixing these colors together. Squish them together and make a ball. I tried to keep most of the brown at the top, but that was a fail. So we're gonna just go ahead and take the top of the toaster and push the Barbie dough inside. Place it on top of the other half of the toaster and push down to see the toast rise up. That came out a little uneven. I should probably add more dough. I have more dough here. This time I do have more brown at the top, more white at the bottom. And we're gonna put it into the toaster and try again. Come on, we need some perfect toast here. And that kind of worked. Use the knife to cut the toast off of the toaster. For some extra thick sliced toast. That one looks cream filled. After making the toast, pull it apart and clean out the inside. Oh, that's a lot left over in there. The dough is getting mixed, so eventually it'll all be a lovely golden brown. Breakfast is served. Last but not least, let's take a look at the Barbie Noodle Bar. We saw this at Toy Fair 2020 and I thought it was a really cool idea, cause I love some noodles. On the back of the box, you can see a picture of the doll and the workstation. There are some instructions along the bottom. Okay, dough, push down, noodles come up, make some broccoli, you got your noodles. Out of the box, we get a doll. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Her outfit is all one piece. It looks like a pink dress with a blue jean apron in the front. There is a picture of a happy bowl of noodles on the top. The printed apron has a printed tie at the waist, some red details at the bottom, and it velcros in the back. And she wears those classic white sneakers. The noodle station is brown. It has a faux wood finish, pink countertops, 2 shelves, a picture of noodles, a bowl cleaning area on the side, a cutting board that is also a Barbie dough press, a bowl on top with brackets. If you remove the bowl by sliding it forward, you can see where the Barbie dough goes. The counter on the side flips up. It doesn't lock into place because this is how we press the noodles. It comes with a second bowl, a clear plastic lid, a purple knife, 2 sets of bare chopsticks, and white and green Barbie dough. To make the noodles, lift the counter, take some white dough, roll it into a ball, place it in the opening, put the bowl on top, lower the counter to see the noodles form. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, I'm gonna need a lot more dough than that. Take 2. This time we have a lot of dough. And we're gonna put it in the counter, put the bowl on top, and make some noodles. Okay, there we go. Wow! Look at all those noodles. Uh-oh, they're going out of the bowl. They're going out of the bowl. Look at that. I made homemade noodles. Now, if I could only do that in real life. When you remove the bowl, it cuts the noodles. Move over to the cutting board, lift the top, roll a ball of green dough, place it on the broccoli and the onions. Might want to make that one a little longer. Lower the top, press down, lift it up, remove the excess dough to make broccoli and onions. Use the plastic knife to slice them up on the cutting board. Oops. Sorry, I've never been very good at cooking. Place the onions or broccoli on the noodles to add a little color and flavor to the dish. Don't actually eat this. It is not food. Place the lid on top and it's ready to serve. Whether you're serving up ice cream or making noodles, using a shaping compound could be a fun way to make food for your dolls. And I like many of the accessories that come with these playsets, like this little blender, the candy and ice cream. I'm digging that bowl, and the fashion is a fun touch. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at what's new with Barbie Dough. Let us know in the comments down below if these are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Something, get it right. Gonna keep on